To start off the engineering design process, I first had to ask the question, what is the best land cover for a healthy watershed? So I created an erosion bottle to fulfill this experiment. I chose to use 3 different land covers: leaves and twigs, a weed, and rocks, by placing them in 16-ounce Coke water bottles and 1 water bottle. I also used 16 ounces of rain for each land cover and measured the drainage in 1/2 inches. Because I didn't have a watering can, I poked holes in a water bottle to still give the effect of rain. My thought was that a light, steady stream of water everywhere would have a different effect than a stream of water that was heavy coming from one place. I noticed that the dried twigs and leaves had the clearest water, but with a little bit of dirt. I noticed that the weed had the most amount of excess dirt, and the water didn't really drain. It got stuck inside of the water bottle. The rocks had the most amount of drainage and only some dirt in the cup. I believe that the different types of bottles negatively impacted the experiment. Even though they were all 16-ounce, the shapes were different. The one that was a water bottle was the weed, which also collected water inside of the bottle that didn't drain, leaving me to believe that the water bottles impacted the success of the experiment. 2, I would make the sides of the water bottles higher to hold all the materials. And I would also measure the drainage in ounces to measure exactly how much water came out. The NGSS standard is developing a model to describe the movement of water among plants, animals, decomposers, and the environment. The STEM practices that I really focused on or that stuck out to me were attending to precision, designing solutions, obtain, evaluate, and communicate information, and recognizing the role of technology plays in the advancement of science and engineering.